Hi, welcome to AZ220. We are currently at lab 12, and my previous video would have explained how to create the exercise 1 to exercise 3. Now we'll be focusing on exercise 4 on creating IoT Edge device identity in IoT Hub using Azure portal. So for this, you have to go to your IoT Hub and you got to scroll down and look for IoT device management. So in this case, we are creating IoT Edge, and you will be seeing your device IoT Edge. Click on the IoT Edge and add this particular code on your device setting with your user name. Okay, and symmetric generate code. Auto generate is checked, and we are saving. Okay, and now under the device ID, you would see the virtual machine AZ, which we have just created. So I'm going to click on that to copy the primary connection key. Okay, so once you open on the plate, we will see primary connection key. You can see this? So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this one, okay? We're going to copy, we're going to save it because we're going to use it later, right? So hit all this. Okay, we're going to save it because we will be using this code later, right? Make a note the device. Right, on the module you can see here that module is limited to H and agent. Okay, at the top plate, this top plate here, go under set modules. Okay, we are not doing anything over here, but we go to the routes. Okay, we see as route from slash, so we change the value here as from. Okay, we change the value to this. Okay, change it as this, and then review create again. Click routes, in the value change, configure it to be matching. You update to match this code. Okay, so review and create, validation passed, and then create. Alright, we are good to go on exercise 4. So let's go to exercise 5, where we're setting up the IoT Edge gateway. Right? So here we need to copy the DNS name. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We go back to our dashboard, refresh just to make sure that every data is up to date, and let's go to the virtual machine. Click on IoT virtual machine, and do you see a DNS here? Click on configure, DNS name. Alright, so we're going to put the DNS name as, okay, put your code. Alright, so the rest remains the same, and save it. Okay, so now you're going to observe something and you're going to take note of something. Okay, we are going to type here DNS, and then Okay, once it has saved, do you notice that this? Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the IP, okay, here, and I'm going to refresh. You see there will be a change. DNS name. So do you see a similar kind of name? Yes, exactly. So we're going to copy this. We're going to keep this in our note. Alright, and now save it for later reference. So that's what we have done just now. So we are navigating back to the refreshed, and I just showed you where to copy. Instead of copying there, you can just copy it here so that we don't make any mistakes. Under connect, okay, here, copy again this. So now we have a new ID, right? Yes, we do. So we're going to paste this ID. Remember, remove this. This is your virtual machine ID now. So we're going to copy this, right? So our shell is open. Let me just make it bigger, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it here and enter. Alright, that's because I'm in a different direction. Do I see a mistake? Alright. Enter. Why? Didn't we receive similar? This is because of IP issue. Exactly, this is purely because of IP issue. So what was the command that we have executed is, just give me a while and I can check on that command that I have just so where I started having the error actually. So this was a common error that we faced just now, and good thing that I've tried. But however, this I did not save the details, but no worries, I can just get it quite fast. And just give me a while. Alright, let's do it like this. Okay, it is 10 minutes and we are almost completing. Alright, I will create the immediate new video. Continuing from this, let me get the code to bypass this error, and this is basically because of the different IP, and that can be done quite commonly. And yeah, look forward for my next video.